everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to create and set up your Lazada seller account. Whether you're a business owner or just starting out, this guide will help you join one of the largest e-commerce platforms in Southeast Asia. First, go to the Lazada Seller Center website by typing sellercenter.lazada.sg. On the home page, click Create a New Account button to begin creating your seller account. To sign up as a Lazada seller, you are required to key in your mobile number for verification purposes. So you can choose to send the one-time password via WhatsApp, via voice call, or SMS. You'll receive a one-time password via email, SMS. Enter this code to verify your account. Now you're logged into the Lazada Seller Center. This is where you'll manage your store, products, and orders. But first, let's complete your seller profile. You may use the to-do module that is provided by Lazada and follow the step-by-step. On the dashboard here, you can click on email, which has already been verified. And next, we can proceed to the address. The address information will be your warehouse or pickup location. Once done so, do upload your personal ID or bank document for individual seller and company certificate and bank document for corporate. This is where your earnings will be deposited. Now that your account is set up, let's add your first product, navigate to product, and click on add. Do join us on our next Lazada tutorial. Now, let's customize your store. Go back to your dashboard. Click on your settings and click on the pencil icon beside your store name. Here you are able to upload a store logo and choose a store name for your store. You are also able to key in a store URL so that it's easy for your buyers to search for your store. And that's it. You're ready to start selling on Lazada Singapore. Remember to optimize your product listings, provide excellent customer service, and track your store's performance regularly. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your Lazada journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it, hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.